Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the net error certificate date invalid that you are experiencing on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So assuming that you're experiencing this issue across multiple websites, it's not just one particular site, but it's just every website you're going to seems to be generating the same error message. First thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to check our date and time settings down in our taskbar. So most of you guys probably have your taskbar oriented along the bottom of your screen, and the date and time settings are usually in the bottom right corner. So we're going to go ahead and right click on it and select where it says adjust date and time. So if you notice that set time automatically perhaps is turned off, I would suggest looking into just turning it to the on position here. Make sure your time zone is set correctly as well. And if for some reason setting the time automatically does not resolve the issue, you can opt to manually change the date and time settings. So if you scroll down and where it says set the date and time manually, and you select the change button, you can go ahead and actually manually change it. However, in order to do that, you have to toggle off the set time automatically option. So then you can go ahead and select change, and then you can change it from the screen here. And you can also sync with internet time as well by selecting that option. So a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. I mean, there really isn't too much more to say beyond that. It's a pretty straightforward process, guys. One further thing I would do as well, if you're still having an issue, would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache message here. And once that's done, go ahead and type in the next command, which is netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So once you have a blinking cursor down here, you just go ahead and close out of the command prompt window. And we're going to go ahead and restart our device at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.